As-Salaam Alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today, InshaAllah, we will learn about the importance of giving Sadaqah. Sadaqah is not limited to just giving money, but it can also be in the form of clothing, food, a smile, or a kind word. In fact, any act of goodness is considered a form of Sadaqah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "A nice word is Sadaqah, charity." He, peace be upon him, also said, "All goodness is a form of Sadaqah, charity." Did you know that one of the best forms of charity is to help and support a needy person by giving them money? This act of Sadaqah is highly rewarding, as it brings happiness and relief to those in need. Moreover, Allah promises to give you even more when you give for His sake. Isn't that amazing? By helping the poor, you can earn more Hasanat, good deeds, and please Allah. Let's make it a habit to give as much Sadaqah as possible, especially during the month of Ramadan. Just like our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was known for his extreme generosity, particularly during Ramadan, when he would give all he had to support the poor and needy. As children, we can also make the most of Ramadan by giving Sadaqah to those who are in need of our help and support. Remember, even if it's just $1 a day or a week, every little bit counts in the eyes of Allah. So, let's start today and give as much as we can. May Allah reward you all for your generosity. InshaAllah. See you in the next reminder. And always remember to be good to your parents and kind to others. As-Salamu Alaikum.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल E12 को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।